lesson. Today's lesson is lesson 9.9, Finding Fractions of a Set. Let's begin with the do now. Solve each subtraction problem, then color the wedges to match the answer. Remember that the denominator stays the same. Do your best. Today's skill focus. Today, we are going to learn how to use fractions to split up a group of objects. When I'm using fractions to split up a group of objects, the denominator tells me how many groups I need to make, and the numerator tells me how many groups I want to find the total of. Let's look at an example. Let's say I had 12 pencils and I wanted to split them in half. This means I would split the 12 pencils into 2 equal groups. So I will begin counting out my pencils while splitting them into the 2 equal piles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I split my 12 pencils into 2 equal piles. How many pencils do I have in the first pile? 6. How many pencils do I have in the second pile? I also have 6. Are both piles equal? Yes, they are. So what is 1/2 of 12? Remember, I had 12 pencils total and I split them into 2 equal groups. That means 1/2 of 12 is 6. Let's try another one together. Let's say I had 15 cubes and I wanted to split them into 3 equal groups. Again, I would begin counting each cube while splitting them into 3 piles until I get to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I have my cubes split into 3 equal piles. How many cubes are in the first pile? 5. How many are in the next pile? Also 5. And how many are in the last pile? 5 as well. So, what is 1/3 of 15? You guessed it, 1/3 of 15 is 5. Now see if we can answer this. What is 2/3 of 15? If 1/3 of 15 is 5, 2/3 of 15 would be 10. Great job, second grade. Let's try one last one together. Sometimes we may not have the objects with us that we need to figure out the answer. So what we can do is draw a picture to help us. Let's say I wanted to find 1/3 of 9. I could draw 9 circles on the board. The denominator tells me I want to put these 9 circles in 3 groups. So to do that, I'm going to use 3 different color markers to color the circles in. I will use red, blue, and green. And I will begin drawing my circles alternating colors until I get to 9 circles total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, let's see how many of each color circle I have. How many red circles do I have? 3. How many blue circles do I have? 3 as well. And how many green circles do I have? You guessed it, I have 3. So what is 1/3 of 9? 1/3 of 9 is 3. Great work, second grade. Now it's your turn. Print or copy this on a sheet of paper, complete it, and upload it to your portfolio on ClassDojo. You may also print these sheets from the PDF file found on ClassDojo. Happy learning!